Alright, unpacking day today. This is a little unpacking ceremonial about the Empower for ISV from Microsoft. So, yes, I'm an Apple guy, but I'm also a Microsoft developer, and I might consider getting ADC really soon, just to have the balance, so to say. So let's open the box and then I will tell you what's this all about. So you guys know MSDN for some of you. It's Microsoft Developer Network, and also ADC, Apple Developer Network. Sorry, Apple Developer Connection. And when you're a developer, you need to have a way. So I'm opening this thing, right? You need to have a way to deal with all the licensing things. So I'm not gonna buy a license for well, that's what I did until now, except there was MSDN. So you need a license for Windows, you need a license for Visual Studio, for this, for that. So Microsoft has something really cool right now, which is for ISV, for kind of startup thing. ISV stands for Independent Software Vendor, and they have this kit. So this kit will cost you, or this subscription will cost me 320 euro per year without TVA, and believe me, it's a really nice thing. So they say, "Willkommen, my Microsoft Empower." This is all in German because I live in Germany, and this is the paper, blah blah blah. Who cares? And it gives you, by the way, here what you have, so I'm gonna read it for you. You have 5 licenses of Windows XP or Vista, 5 licenses of Office 2003 and Office 2007, and you have 1 license of Windows Server 2003, which, by the way, I'm allowed to install on my web server and use it as a public web server. Exchange 2003 server, which is also kind of cool. SQL Server 2005, which I need on a day-to-day basis as a developer, and SharePoint portal servers. And then you have this thing. And this is the big deal, right? In the box. So this is where the fun starts. MSDN, it's a nice package, and what's in it, it's the nicest part of it. So you have it here, right here. I'm doing this on the floor, by the way, and this is like not really professional review, but who cares? It's about doing that really rough. I have all the license agreements here. I don't have any Microsoft stickers. It's not like unboxing an Apple product. Take advantage of your membership, so MSDN. So it's basically like a MSDN Premium, I think, but it's for software vendors and new companies starting up and having a project to do something with Windows, which I have not only with the Mac but also with Windows. And then that's really the beauty of this thing, is you get all the things. This is the MSDN subscriptions library, so this is a lot of documentation. So it's a lot of things, so I'm gonna unpack this because that's anyway what I would have done. And then yeah, so it's a library. This is a lot of thing. Platform, .NET Compact Framework, Windows Display Compatibility Tests. So if you really hate Windows, you already have a problem. Windows 64-bit. Basically all the MSDN stuff, and here you have some more of that. Windows Vista, and a lot of those things. By the way, the Service Pack 1 is out there of Vista, so it looks like it's going to be a little bit more stable, kind of the same thing as a 10.5.2 on Windows. On the Mac. So Office Communication Server, SQL Server 2005, basically everything I need. I'm gonna deep into it later for myself and see if I miss something. There's something I already know that I'm gonna miss. But I can download it because I have an access to the internet. So this is Expression Blend, by the way. I was at the Microsoft Tech Days, and they have a kind of cool thing for the designer. Visual Studio 2005, blah blah blah. Yeah. So, and this is this is Team Foundation server, but this is a trial for 180 days. So this is a little bit geek porn. Well, Microsoft developer geek porn, so to say. And this is where you're gonna put some stickers. for libraries. Now I'm only wondering, but I guess it's online, where the licenses are, because every time that you install something like that, I know that because I had that in previous companies, it stands on them most of the time. Oh, okay, the licenses are here. So okay, it's not gonna show you the license number, but believe me, it's here written in the bottom. Okay, alright, so Geek porn, everything you need to develop with Microsoft. And like I said, once again, I'm probably gonna subscribe at the ADC, Apple Developer Connection. It's also kind of the same price, $500, so it would be also €320, and you have everything you need. So if you're a developer, don't play around with buying every single license, and don't play around with buying illegal thing. €320 a year, that's like 1 day of a freelance developer. So it's worse. And thanks Microsoft. And now let's code.